CompletableFuture, a new era of asynchronous programming. Asynchronous programming allows work to run separately from the main thread, notifying it upon completion. Synchronous programming, on the other hand, happens one at a time, blocking the program until the action is finished. Different mechanisms exist to implement asynchronous programming in Java, such as futures, executor service, completion service, etc. But Java 8 introduced CompletableFuture, an extensive tool for asynchronous programming. CompletableFuture is a future that may be explicitly completed and used as a completion stage. It supports dependent functions and actions that trigger upon its completion. CompletableFuture overcomes limitations of future like inability to be explicitly completed, blocking of the primary application thread, inability to chain multiple futures together, among others. CompletableFuture.runAsync is used for background tasks that don't need to return anything, while CompletableFuture.supplyAsync is used when a background task needs to return something. Callbacks can be attached to CompletableFuture to automatically trigger when the future completes its task. This helps in writing logic that needs to be executed after the completion of the future. CompletableFuture.thisApply, CompletableFuture.thenAccept, and CompletableFuture.thenRun are methods used to process and transform the result of a completable future when it arrives. In conclusion, CompletableFuture provides a robust tool for implementing asynchronous programming in Java, overcoming limitations of future and providing a huge set of convenience methods.